Hello, Anyan.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, how are you, Anyan?
I'm good.
Yeah, sorry, teacher was not able to have class last Wednesday, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, because since morning we don't have internet connection up to 10 in the evening.
yeah,
That's why I wasn't able to have class.
yeah,
Okay. So right now, Anya, we are having a new activity for tonight. So I think we must begin. Are you ready?
yes.
Okay, let's begin. All right. So for tonight, we are having part one activity. It says here, look and read, choose the correct words, and write them on the lines. There is one example. So example, Anyan, in this game, you hit the ball. So the answer here is a hockey. Okay, question number one, Anyan. Read and then choose your answer from the pictures.
One, you throw the ball in this game, but you can't kick it. Basketball.
Okay, let's check. Okay, basketball is the correct answer. Next.
You can watch film on this. A TV.
Okay, a TV is correct.
This is small and round, and you can listen to music on it. A CD.
Yes, a CD. Next one.
You do not need a ball from this sport. Swimming.
Yes, swimming. Next one, number five.
You can run a lot of kick the ball in this game. Soccer.
Yes, soccer. Next one.
You can sit and sit and play music on it. A piano.
Okay, a piano is the correct answer. Very good. You got a perfect score. Okay, let's put a tick. Basketball, TV, a CD, swimming, soccer, and a piano. Okay, 6 points. Okay, so now let's have part number two. So all you have to do, Anyan, is just look at the picture and then I will read a question and then you're just going to tell me if it's a yes or a no, okay?
Yeah.
So we have here an example. There are girls and one boy are playing soccer. So the answer is yes. Next, the monsters have got 2 legs. Answer is no. Okay, so number one, Anyan. One of the monsters is flying. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Number two, the monster inside the classroom is happy.
No.
No. Okay, number three, a girl is throwing a ball. She is behind the blue monster.
Yeah.
Yes, number four, the monsters have got longer legs than the children.
No.
No, next, number five, the man is drinking from a glass.
Yeah.
No. That's not a glass. That is a,
Cup.
yes, cup. Next one, number six. One of the monsters loves the girl with brown hair.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Okay, so you got one mistake, right? You got one mistake, right? Is teacher right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 points. Okay, now let's go to activity number 3. It's read the text and choose the best answer, okay? So all you have to do, Anyan, is to read your answer, okay? I will read the first line and then you're going to say your answer, okay? So let's have an example. Bill. Hello, Mrs. Green. So the answer is hello, Bill. Okay, question number 1. How are you?
C. Very well, thank you.
Okay, letter C is correct. Okay, now let's go to number 2. Shall I carry your bag?
Yeah, I do.
Again?
Oh, B. Oh, yes, please.
Oh, yes, please. Okay, number 3. Where are you going?
C. To the hospital.
Okay, very good. Next. What is the matter with you?
My leg hurt.
My leg hurts. Okay, number 5. My teacher's in hospital.
C. E. C. I didn't know that.
Okay, very good. Number 6. She's got a new baby.
C. Oh, was C.
Okay, very good. Oh, it's letter A. Oh, has she?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you got 5 points because you got number 6 wrong. Okay, that's still a good score. Okay, so now this is part number 4 activity. Read the story, choose a word from the box, write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 6. There is one example. Okay, so Anyan, you can see here a picture of a cake, a birthday, ride, drew, parrot, hid, idea, drove, lake, and kangaroo. Okay, now all you have to do, Anyan, is to read the story and then fill in the blanks with the correct word. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, can you do it now, Anyan?
On last birthday, I went to Animal World. Animal World is a kind of zoo. I don't always like zoos because sometimes the animals aren't happy there, but Animal World is different. There are big green fields of the
For the,
kangaroos.
okay, kangaroos. Correct. Next.
They love to jump and eat grass. The hippos have a leg to swim in and there are lots of trees from the parrots to fly in. There's a small farm with rabbits, goats, and chickens. There are horses. From the children to hit,
For the children to
hit.
hid. Are you sure you're going to hid from the horse? What are you going to do with the horse?
Go. Mm,
To
Idea.
To idea? No. You change your answer.
Draw.
It starts with letter R.
Ride.
Yes, to ride. Okay, continue.
That part of animal world. 2. Children can learn a lot about the food that the animals like and the plants they like to my live in. My uncle told me and my sister there in this calm. I had a great day when I got home. I drew a picture of a tiger. I love it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, very good. So the answer is here. Let's check. Kangaroo, lake, parrots, right? Drew, this is Drew and, no, this is drove and drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 points again, Anyan. Okay, so
Yeah.
now let's have here an example. Okay, now what do you think is the best title for this story?
Mm, a day at Animal World.
Okay, very good. It's a day at the animal world. So 7 points for you. Okay, so now let's proceed to part number 5. Look at the pictures and read the story. Write words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use 1, 2, or 3 words. Okay, so the story is about my rainbow monster. Okay, can you read the story, Anyan?
My name's Tom, and I have a friend who's Karen, Rainbow Monster. He was for me in the cupboard when it rains. I opened the cupboard and there he is. He's a big and happy monster who eats all the colors of the rainbow. I laughed at him and jumped on his back. He says, "Where do you want to go today, Tom?" I always say, "You choose."
Okay, so the example is Rainbow Monster is Tom's friend. Tom finds his friend in the cupboard when it rains. Okay, so question number 1. The monster is blank and the colors of the rainbow.
The monster is all the monster is big, be happy.
Okay, big and happy is correct. Number 2, the monster carries Tom on his.
Cup, I know. Rainbow monster.
Hmm? Oh, where? Where does Tom carry the monster?
Cupboard.
Again? So Tom carries the monster on the cupboard. Are you sure?
And
Oh, where? Where does Tom carry the monster?
mm, I don't know.
Okay, so Tom carries the monster on his back, right? Oh, you forgot. Okay, so now continue reading the story, Anyan.
Last week, we flew to a beautiful island. The water was hot and sunny. We went swimming with pink dolphins. We ate moon. We ate moon fruits, and in the evening we danced on the beach the stand, under the star. When and then we went home because I was too and hungry. Here, Rainbow Monster said when I went to bed, take this box and found it on the island. Don't open it now. Open it in the morning.
Okay. So number 3 question. Tom and his monster friend blank to the island.
Go to a friend feel too beautiful to feel you to the island.
Okay, what's the missing word?
Feel,
Again, Tom and his monster friend.
flew,
Flew. Very good. Number 4, they swam in the sea there with some blank.
pink dolphin,
Yes, some pink dolphins is correct. Number 5, that blank, they danced at the sand.
evening,
Okay, evening. Very good. Number 6, then Tom was blank and they went home.
tired and hungry,
Yes, that is not tired. Okay, Anyan, that is tired. Can you say it?
tired,
Very good. Last one, number 7. Before Tom went to sleep, the monster gave him a blank.
uh, boat,
Okay, box. Very good. So you got 7 points, a total of 7 points. Okay, so this is the end of the story, okay? Finish reading,
yes.
Anyan.
At the morning, I told about my rainbow monster in the boat. It was under my bed. I looked inside and saw a moonful tree. It was very small on. I carried it carefully outside and put it in my garden. When I said, I always look at the moon fruit tree and then start slim smiling again.
Okay, so number 8 question. The box was under Tom's blank.
Tom bed.
Yes, Tom's bed. Next, number 9. Inside the box was a blank.
Moon fruit tree.
Yes, moon fruit tree. Number 10. Tom goes to look at the tree when he's blank, and then he is happy again.
He, when he
Tom goes to look at the tree when he's blank, and then he is happy again.
Wow.
When he's
Wow.
When he's sad. Okay, not that is the correct answer. Okay, so 9 points for you, Anyan. Okay, now let's have part number 6. Read the text, choose the right words, and write them on the lines. Okay, so you can see on the right side of your screen, there are numbers 1 to 5, okay? And then you're going to choose your answer from the numbers. Okay, so start reading now, Anyan.
Yeah. Many different kinds from bats live in the jungle. Most of them eat fruits or fish. You do not often see bats.
Bats.
Because in the day they sleep.
Okay, because. Very good. Next one.
They always fly at night to find the food.
Okay, their food.
Many people think that bats cannot look,
Cannot see.
but look, bats have very good eyes. They can find food on tree at night. Fruit bats only have
Fruit bats only have
one baby.
one baby.
The mother carries her baby
Her
from,
baby.
from a Greek and it learned to fly.
Okay, very good. So you got 4 points here, Anyan, because number 3 is wrong. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're finishing the first part. Okay, wait, let me open one more. Wait for me, Anyan.
Yeah.
Okay, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So our activity number 2 will be speaking activity, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so look at the pictures, Anyan, and then I want you to tell me what is the difference between them.
Yeah.
Finish?
Yeah.
Okay. So now tell me what is your answer.
Picture 1 have the sun. Picture 2 have the rainbow. Picture 1, the girl wearing a purple dress.
Mm-hmm.
Picture 2, the girl wearing a green dress. Picture 1, the girl have long hair. Picture 2, the girl have short hair. Picture 1, the hippo eat grass. Picture 2, the hippo eat flower.
Mm-hmm. What else?
Picture 1 have 3 ants. Picture 2 have 4 ants. 4 ants.
Oh, that's not ant. That is a fly.
And
Okay. Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Okay, is that all?
yeah.
Okay. So let's check your answer if that is correct. Okay, so this is the answer, okay? So the first one, the girl has got a long hair, but the other girl is short. Next, there are 3 and 4 flies, the purple and green dress, the hippo eating grass or flowers, and then the last one is there is a sun, and the next one is there is a rainbow, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how many did you get? 5 points. Okay, very good. Okay, so now Anyan, I have here a set of questions and I want you to answer it, okay? So let's have number 1 question. How many people are there in your family, Anyan?
In my There are 6 people in my family.
Oh, there are 6 people in your family, okay?
Yeah.
Now, who are these people? Can you tell me?
My aunt, my father, my mother, my baby sister, my baby brother, and me.
Okay. So how many? Your mom, your dad, you, your baby sister, who else?
My baby brother,
Oh, baby brother and
me.
you. Oh, okay. So how many siblings do you have? You have 4 siblings in your family? Oh, sibling means sister and brother. You are 4?
3.
3 only. Okay, can you tell me? Mom, dad, you, baby brother, baby sister. Who's the other one?
My aunt.
Your aunt. Okay, so your aunt lives there too?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why you are 6 in your family. Okay,
Yeah.
next one, Anyan. What do you do at home after school?
I ride a bike.
You ride the bike.
Yeah.
And then, so, do you, when you go home, you don't sleep first or take a rest?
No.
You just eat? You just, what do you call this one? You just go home and then ride your bike?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, so next one. Who do you play with when you're at home?
My baby sister.
Okay, your baby sister. So, what do you call this one? What games do you play?
I play hide and seek.
Hide and seek, okay. So your sister knows how to play hide and seek?
Mm, eh,
Yeah? Does she know how to play it?
yeah.
Okay. So next one. Tell me something about your favorite toy, Anian. What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Wow. Teddy bear. What is the color of your teddy bear?
It's brown.
It's brown. Okay, and then okay, so your teddy bear is brown. What is the name of your teddy bear?
A Teddy Ted.
Teddy Ted.
Yeah.
That's the name? Teddy Ted?
Yeah.
Wow, very nice. Okay, so where did you get your teddy bear?
Mm,
Oh, where did you get your teddy bear? Did you what do you call this one? Did you buy it or did your mom or dad buy it?
my uncle buy it.
Your uncle give it to you.
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Okay. So now let's proceed to the next part. Okay. So how many people are there in your family? You said there are 6 people in your family, okay? So now, do you
Yeah.
have a sister?
No.
Sister
Yeah.
and brother?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the name of your sister?
My sister is Huang Anh.
Huang Ai.
Yeah.
Again, how do you say it?
Huang Anh.
Huang Ai.
Yeah.
Okay. And how about your brother? What's the name of your brother?
Is Minh Phục.
Ning
Minh Phục.
Ning Fu.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. So, okay. Again, what's the name of your sister?
Huang Anh.
Wang Ain. And then your brother is
Minh Phục.
Ming Fu.
Yeah.
Okay. How old is your brother, Anyan?
is 7 months.
7 months. Still a baby.
Yeah.
Oh. And then your sister is 2 years old?
Is 7-year-old.
7 years old. Okay. So now, let's talk about the members of your family, okay? So let's start first with your dad. Now, what's the name of your dad, Anyan?
My dad's name is Hoang Văn Thiệt.
Huang?
Văn Thiệt.
Wait, I have here the name of your dad. Okay, wait a minute. I will look at it. Oh, wait a minute. Again, what's the name of your dad?
Hoang Văn Thiệt.
Huang Van Tiet.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because here his name is Huang Tiet. So his name is Wang Van Tiet.
Yeah.
Who is Lin Lan? Ling Lan. What's the name of your mom?
Đô Thu Hà.
How about your aunt? What's the name of your aunt?
Thăm.
Oh, who is Lin Lan? Who is this? I will show you.
Miss Lan.
Who is that?
Miss Lan.
Who is Miss Lan? Is this your teacher too?
No.
Who is this? Who is this?
A teacher in Pantado.
Okay. She's your teacher also in Pantado.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now, who do you play with at home?
I play with my sister.
Okay, with your sister. And then, how about, what are the activities that you do with your mom and dad?
Yeah.
What are the activities or games that you play with your mom and dad?
Jump rope.
Jump rope. So your mom knows how to play jump rope?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. How about your dad? What's your favorite activity with your dad?
Badminton.
Badminton. Wow. Does your dad knows how to play badminton? Very good. Okay, so now, Anyan, look at the picture. All right, so now, Anyan, you can see 4 pictures, and now you have to tell me a story. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, start reading now, Anyan.
One day, Mary see a blue coat. A pink coat.
A pink coat, okay. Next.
And the pink is the Mary cool.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And then what happened?
The Mary very happy and thank you, Lucy. And thank Lucy.
Mm-hmm.
The woman give Mary a pink coat too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then they have the same pink coat at the end.
Yeah.
And they laughed because they have the same color and same coat. Okay? All right. Okay, so now let's have this activity. Find the different ones. Okay, so in the first number, what is different here?
A book.
A book. Okay, why is a book your answer?
Because lemon, pineapple, orange is fruits.
Again, because
Because melon, pineapple, orange is fruits. Book is good thing.
yes, book is a school thing and not a fruit. Okay, number 2, which one here is different?
A picture 3.
Picture 3. Okay, why picture 3?
Because picture 1, picture 2, picture 4, pupil is reading. Picture 3, the girl is playing.
Yes, because picture 1, 2, and 4, they are all reading, while picture number 3, the girl is playing. Very good. Number 3, Anyan, which one is different?
Picture 2.
Picture 2, okay, that's correct. Why picture 2?
Because picture 1, picture 3, picture 4 is pupil. Picture 2 is dog.
Very good. 1, 3, and 4 are pictures of people. Good job. Last one. What is different here?
A picture 4.
Yes, picture 4. Why?
Because panda is animal.
Yes, because a panda is an animal. Very good. Okay, so Anyan, I will ask you, okay? Are you available at Tuesday and Thursday? Are you free at Tuesday and Thursday at this time, like this time also?
Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday and Thursday.
On Thursday.
Oh, are you free on Tuesday and Thursday?
Yeah.
Yeah, because my other student finished his class already. So I'm available at Tuesday and Thursday, same as our class, our time of our class, okay? So
Yeah.
I'm thinking if we can study Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Is that okay with you? We study also in Tuesday and Thursday.
Yeah.
Is that okay with you? Maybe I can ask your dad too, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so good night, Anyan. See you again on Monday.
Good night, teacher. See you again.
Sleep tight. Sweet dreams.
See you again.
Good night.
Good night.